Alright, you already see Wagwan. So one flight delay after another flight delay, then making my third flight, and we out here, man. Philippines, El Nido. Yeah, Maki, what's up, brother? So this is my cousin. We here. Welcome to the 27th country. Let's get it poppin'. We're just walking on the beach, just trying to, it's literally like beachfront, and there's like a bunch of resorts and bar vibes, people just walking everywhere. It doesn't seem like swimming water because there's like boats everywhere. Kind of reminds me of like PP Island in Thailand, where it's very like hilly. This is a steep walk up. Leg day, brother.
It's like a casino. Mommy.
Let's see.
Come on, man.
Which one you put in? 500 on the line. Let's see it.
Give me the ace right here.
Ace of spades?
Yeah.
Ace of spades. Mommy, let's go.
Ace of spades, let's go.
Over here.
Close.
It's gone the wrong way.
Spades. Spades.
Oh, that's a ball.
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? We're going to Lio Beach right now, and apparently there's some vibes on Lio Beach. We'll see what's good. That's all it is on this island. It's just like beach, eat, vibes. That's it. I don't know what much to do. We may do a tour tomorrow, but let's get to Lio Beach and get it popping. Just made it to Lio Beach. Yay. The one we have in front of the hotel is pretty average. It's whatever. There's rocks and seaweed everywhere, but this looks like more of the swimmable beach. The Philippines has been impressing me with their beaches, I'm not gonna lie. You know, no complaints. Look at this view. Palm trees, golden sand, nice bridge walk, you know what I mean? Yo, check it in on the ones and twos. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Iced tea. It's different. Iced tea. Green. Cheers, brother. We taking it light. We drinking mango smoothie, iced tea. Mango smoothie, iced tea.
It's sorry.
Oh, what is it?
It's a cucumber leaf. Sorry.
It's like the wrong drink.
Yeah.
Oh.
We'll still drink it.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Or do you want to change it?
Can I get the iced tea, please? Sorry, that's not iced tea. It's
Can we still have it? What are you gonna do with it?
You need to pay?
He already drank.
Oh.
Are you going to pay?
Well, don't waste it. Like he already you made a mistake, right? I mean.
No, I don't think they run it that way, bro. I don't think
What are they gonna do with it? Put it back? Give it to someone else? Like No, but I mean, like they made a mistake.
Yeah.
Right? Like it's not like we said we changed our mind.
I know. Yeah. That's funny. I caught all that on camera. Anyways, that wasn't iced tea. It kind of didn't look like iced tea, but you know, we're on Lio Beach right now. It looks amazing, beautiful. Should have brought my swim shorts. I'm actually kind of mad. We should have swam here instead.
I'm swimming here.
You're swimming here?
Look what I'm wearing.
Oh yeah.
I'm came ready.
Swim worthy. I'm not here to swim. You know, here's just like chill vibes. Like I like this. It's like nothing too crazy. Last night we had shisha and then we went to a club. Club went to like 6 a.m. but we left at like 3-4. I was beat tired. Like the traveling, like, you know, it gets to you sometimes. 3 flights, flight delay, and then the sun just beating on you, and it's warm weather. That's the price you pay when you travel. So yeah, I do. All right, so food just arrived. We have barbecue pork. It's like a side of rice, garlic rice. And they said this is some vinegar sauce that you gotta like pour on it. We're gonna pour some on. We're gonna try it out.
Pwede nga yung may tubig lang. Meron kami yan eh. Meron kami yan kasi ganun halaman. Nilagyan na ng tubig.
Decent, chewy. Taste the pork, taste the barbecue. You could taste the burnt edges on the actual barbecue. So it's definitely on the grill fresh. I was gonna get the adobo, but I'll save adobo for some another time. That's one thing about Filipinos, Asians. You know how to cook a good rice. Come on. Can I see the crab? Wow.
Shrimp and salmon.
So this is what he's gonna eat?
Yeah, this pork crab must be.
Yo! Yo, fam, you're eating that, fam? Yo, crush that, fam. Yo, crush that, fam. Yo, don't know. Toronto in the house. Six side. Sixer. Cheers, my buddy.
Cheers, Ruse.
Here.
El Nido.
Nido.
Lio Beach in the house. 2025 in the area.
Oh, yeah. Nice slush. Crab was alive like 10 minutes ago, bro. 15 minutes ago.
That's what like nature is.
Yeah. How was it? How was it?
It's like, that was wicked. Die before you get eaten. That's the fucking. This guy got eaten first.
You're just sitting here watching the sunset. Life is beautiful, man. Make sure you get out and travel. So much to see, so much experiences. I explain to everybody all the time, you have to travel. It's amazing. Look at this sunset. This is like one of the things that you get out of traveling. Heard it here first. See that Globetrotter? Make sure you go do that. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. We're on tour A. If you come to El Nido, you need to do tour A, apparently. So that's what we decided to do. First stop, Commando Beach. This beach? Now this I wish we had in the front, you know? This is fire. Just decided to do a little tour today just to see what's around the island. Yesterday we were at Lio Beach. To me, it's just vibes, chill, drink a beer. That's all it is. We got about 4 stops on this tour. We got a secret lagoon, scuba diving. I'm not doing that. Bit of a lunch break right now. Everybody went to go get some food. We're at like a secret lagoon or something like that. So nice views, nice sights. It's just bare mountains. About to eat this rice with chicken. Cuz you there, full plate. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Got a little bit of everything. Coconut? Yeah. How much? How much? I can go over there? Coconut. Okay. Sir. Jesus. This guy might snatch our stuff, bro.
I know, eh?
Just seen a Komodo dragon. Crazy. Komodo dragon eyes? With the coconut eyes coming out. Oh, it's rough, guy. Oh, it's big rough. So we just got done with the tour and we just pulled up to Panorama. It looks like a scene. Check out the vibes. Nice view, pool. I guess they got food, drinks, everybody vibing, beats going. Solid day so far. Solid day. Probably the best day. Let's see what the night gets us up to. Our last night in El Nido, and then we head to Cebu City. Let's get it, man. Look at how they stacked up this fish and chips. It's like Jenga, bro. So a little friend following us. Cat just chilling, bro. I'm a cat. Call me Catman, bro. Call me Catman, bro. So as you can see, at the airport, El Nido, it was love. T-Dot, go try her out. Peace.